So welcome back guys to my new video. Today I'm going to explain you this complete file text to speech file. This file is only left in our backend folder, and then we will shift to front end folder, that is UI. And if you don't want to like this see the explanation and extra things, you just go in description and check, there is a full explanation file video, or you can directly go to my channel. Firstly, please do subscribe. Okay, and if you want these files, go to my website. Send link you will get in description and go to contact page and then contact me. Okay, or you can just directly mail me by using my email id provided in description box. Okay, so let's start the explanation after a small intro. So, guys, you seen the intro. Let's start the explanation now. Okay. So, firstly, I'm going to say, please watch the video till end. Okay. Now, what, what our program is able to do? What now? Okay, firstly we speak something, go to text.py. Okay, and then it go to model the text, go to model.py. Model.py analyze it and think which type of data it is. If there is a chatting, it will go to chatbot. If there is any automation or thing that we are going to do from the AI, it will go to automation. And if there is a real time searching thing, it will go to search engine. These are the things. Okay, after it, the output will go to text as a text. So this file will convert the text to speech. Okay, now let's start the explanation line by line. This imports time pygame for playing audio. I will tell you why. Random for randomizing things. At here, of that asyncio for using multiple things at a time. As of TTS, main function which will convert text to speech. OS for normal automations na, like creating folder, opening things. Okay, and .env values for this extracting values from this file. After it, we extract assistant voice from here. Okay, after it, this is the function. This function does what, um, convert the text to an audio file. The audio file then will be saved here. Okay, this converts the text to str. If there is any, like we can say, number over there, it will convert it to text. And then this save file to parent data folder, not inside package. I add a comment over there. So this base dictionary means this folder. Now the space.mp3 file is over here, not in this folder. So next, this will tell that you don't need to go over here. Just go up side of here. Like if I just open this backend, these are text to speech file. Now it's in backend. Okay. Now our program think that is in backend because that is only accessible here only. Then next line, this line say, you guy just get uplift from here. So he thinks get uplift. It's good. get uplifted. After getting uplifted, he will go to this over here. Then same line will tell, now you just need to go in data folder. There you go. There you get speech.mp3 file. Okay, it's good. And then this checks if there is a file or not. Yes, here's file. After it, file path. This is the main file path, which our program will learn it. Okay. After it, os.path exist. It will check if the path exists. It will check on the path if that exists. If exist, it will remove that file path. And if permission error get means like it is opened in VLC media player, it will wait for a half second. Then second time try it. Always do remove file path. Then if it also get error, then it say this line, could not delete old uh, speech file. It may be still in use. Okay. After that, if the file is deleted, then it will go to this. This is our variable, and this is the function provided by STTS communicate function, which will convert our text to a file. Okay, it will save it to this file path. Okay, it takes four parameters, mainly two. These are only defined. Okay, pitch, it just make it louder, and this make it faster. Okay, assistant voice, which voice we are using, this. And text, the text that this the text, the main parameter that this file or this function will take. Okay, now there is the next TTS. It will save the it will load the file, saved file, then it will play that. It only does this thing. Okay, this I also created it to text. Okay, str. Then it will run this function over here, and give it parameter text. I don't know this. And then this base dictionary. Then also we just created same thing, not to go here only. Okay, then it will going to play that using this py game. Okay, py game, it will initialize, it will load the file in py game, then play it. Then if the py game is busy, means if it is playing, so it will check 10 times in a second. Okay, if for next thing. Okay, and then it will try. Okay, not try. It will just stop the py game after doing after completing the audio file. Okay, it will just try, and then this function complete. And this text to speech, it's the main function that we will be using. Data, this is the text that will be splitted into sentences, different sentences. Okay, this is the main data that will be splitting over there. And these are the responses. Why? Like if there are more than four sentences, and there is more than 250 words, then the our program will only speak to only four sentences or 250 words. Then it add this text after the end of the four lines. After adding that, it will speak this line. And there is else, else, if these parameters are not completing, it will just pick the full. Okay, and this runs the main function that will run. Like if I show you,
Hello, my name is Manpreet.
okay, so this much. And if you just want to change the we can say the language and anything else, it can also do that. Go here, I will provide this link in the description box. Now press F3 if you are on PC, and if you are mobile, I don't know. Okay, then you are from India and you want an Indian voice. IN, because this is the code for India. There's a lot. Wait a minute, if I just you are searching an English voice of India, then just down. There is Indian voices. There are two voices you can get. Nirja natural and Prabhet natural. I just okay. And if you want an Hindi, I think HI for it. Yes. If you want Hindi voice, Hindi male and female, there are two. If I just choose this, okay, guys, just skip this error. This is keyboard interrupt. I just stopped that program now.
Hello, my name is Manpreet.
So we are Indian. So my name is this. I'm from India. No? So see this.
Hello, my name is Manpreet. How are you?
Okay, this much. And I will also bring up graded version of this. So please watch. Please subscribe my channel for future videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video.